So this is Slushy, and today we're going to be making two types of lava lamps. So over here we got one that uses Alka-Seltzer tablets, and over here we have one that uses baking soda and vinegar. So basically what we're gonna do is we're going to be making the Alka-Seltzer tablet based one first. Okay, so for the Alka-Seltzer based lava lamp, we're going to want to fill our container about a third of the way full with water. So I'm just gonna pour this, and if it spills, it's fine because it's water. That's probably fine. And then I'm going to fill it a third of the way full with oil. That's probably about enough. And then if you're feeling a bit spicy, you can add a little bit of food coloring in to make it pretty and colorful. This is hard to open. Oh, there we go. You don't have to add too much, just like a few drops. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to take a Alka-Seltzer tablet and we're going to put it inside. So what's happening here is it's making bubbles of carbon dioxide, and basically since it's carbon dioxide, it is going up, and basically what's happening is the bubbles will come up and then they will pop, and then the water goes back down because there's no carbon dioxide. You can even stir it to mix in the food coloring. Just give it a good stir. To add another tablet now, okay? A Alka-Seltzer tablet lava lamp. Okay, so for this next lava lamp, we're going to be using vinegar and baking soda. And so our ingredients are going to be baking soda, vinegar, oil, some food coloring if you want, that is optional, and water. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the oil first. I'm using this big container, but you can use a smaller one if you want. So I'm gonna fill this it's gonna be about 2/3 oil, and then I'm going to add the vinegar, and that's gonna be, I'm gonna fill it about 1/3 of the way. Oh. Okay, so next I'm going to add a few drops of purple food coloring. Oop, that's a little bit too much, but we're just gonna roll with it. And then shake this around a bit. Okay, and then next I am going to take some baking soda. And I'm gonna put it in here. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. That's probably enough. Okay, so next we're going to add the baking soda and water to the vinegar and oil. As you can see, it's very bubbly because the baking soda and vinegar, the vinegar reacts to the baking soda and it makes bubbles.